Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this short video, I wanted to show you how you can extract data from utility bills to your Google Sheets. So I already have created a plugin using a template. So let's run it and do a test. Here I have a test utility bill. It's actually downloaded from internet, so some things will not be captured correctly. But yeah, so let's test on this one. In Zapier, you do that by creating first a new zap, and the trigger in this case is new file in a folder in Google Drive. Obviously, you can always change the trigger to something else, let's say new file in Dropbox or something else. But for this example, I will use Google Drive. So I need to choose an event called new file in a folder, then choose my account, then choose a drive, and this is the folder I will be using. Okay. Now in this folder, I already loaded the file. And I just need for the test, I need to find it. So I need to click find new records. If you didn't run a test before, you will just have a button called test, so run it. And then using this input field, you can find the utility bill. Okay, so this is my file that I want to test it with, because I use this folder for lots of tests. Now, in next step is to find Bitskout. And the event in this case won't be a direct action because we don't have it yet. We're working on that. You can choose run plugin for files, and then you need to choose an account. Okay. And the next thing is to choose the plugin. So I have a utility bill plugin ready. Here it is. And then I need to choose a file URL. In this case, you always choose a file exists but not shown, because Zapier will prepare correctly the file for us, because that's what we need. In case of, let's say, Dropbox, you also use file exists but not shown. And in case of, let's say, Gmail, same thing. Okay, so let's continue. And let's test this step just to extract the data. Okay, so here is our data because it was a test, so not many things available. But the point is now you can map it to a Google Sheet. Okay, obviously you can write it to any other tool in the next step. But just to simplify the example, we'll need to use create spreadsheet row, one row. Okay, continue. And then choose the drive. In this case, it will be my Google Drive. The name of the spreadsheet, I have a testing. Okay. Worksheet, choose sheet 2. Okay, nothing there, so let's choose sheet 1. Okay, some fields here, and now you can map them directly from extracted data. Let's say bill date or total. Okay, so the point is, because now Zapier knows what data we extract, you can map it directly here to, let's say, to the fields that you need in Google Sheets. Okay. So now everything is ready, and you can use the Zap in just you can set it up in just under 10 minutes and run automated extraction from all your utility bills. Okay. Important thing that Bitskout detects the type of the utility. So let me show you. See here, it's electricity. So you can use it for electricity, water, and gas. Okay, the same plugin. And in case you have any questions, just feel free to use chat in Bitskout platform to ask anything. Thanks a lot for your time.